Hey everybody, welcome back to another beautiful winter day in Arizona. My gosh, it's nice out today. Little on the chilly side for us, probably about 55, but beautiful day. In this video, I want to see if I can't fix a minor problem that's been nagging me on my Jeep for a while. As some of you may know, I converted this vehicle completely to LED. There are no more incandescent bulbs anywhere on it. Everything, even the instrument lights, are now LED. But that brought me a small problem. And that problem is the side markers do not function correctly. And also when I put LEDs in the side markers, it messes up the turn signals and everything. And I just didn't know why. And I did a little research and I found a video by a YouTube channel called How To and Repairs. And I'll put a link below. And I can't figure out why I didn't find that video when I was first doing this, because God knows I watched enough videos on converting old vehicles to LEDs, but I never ran across that one. And the problem is, and I'm going to show you how it works. I have not tried it yet, so we can share in the joy of victory, or what did ABC Sports used to say, the agony of defeat in this video together. So the thing about these is the rear markers work like rear markers on any vehicle. They come on when you turn on the parking lights or the headlights, and they stay on solid, and that's all they do. The front side markers also work as turn signals on these older Jeep CJs. And how it works is when you turn on the turn signal with the headlights or parking lights off, the turn signal and the side marker blinks together, on and off, synchronized. When the parking lights and headlights are on, then they blink one then the other, one then the other, one then the other. And how it works, and like I say, I'll link that video from How To and Reviews below, because he explains it better than I can, or really want to for that matter. He says that when this one's on, this one's the ground, and when this one's on, that one's the ground for it. Problem with that is LEDs only allow electricity to flow in one direction, and that screws the whole thing up. And that's why it works with incandescent bulbs but not with normal LED, when these are 194 bulbs. The answer to this, and there's special wiring harnesses and other ways to trick the system into thinking it's working, but over at a company called SuperBright LEDs, there it is there, SuperBright LEDs, they make a retrofit bulb, a retrofit LED bulb, and I'll show them to you here, that is not polarity specific. It will work in either direction. And I don't know if you can see them here, but these supposedly solve this problem and allow this system to work. Now, with that being said, I would love to show you how it works with incandescent bulbs, but there's two problems with that. One, I don't have 4 194 incandescent bulbs, and I'm way too cheap to go out and buy them just to show you that it works with them. Secondly, I'm kind of too lazy to put all 4 of them in, even if I had them, just to show you how it works with incandescent bulbs in it. So cheap and lazy, you know, it ain't happening. But I will show you that the system works correctly now with no bulbs in it. So let's do that. Let's start with headlights off, and we'll just do turn signals. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Now we'll do headlights on. Parking lights work the same way, I think, but headlights on, and you'll notice these headlights are the kind that have the white halo ring around it, which is also going to turn orange when the turn signal comes on. So let's take a look at that. So you'll see this works, and it works the way it's supposed to. The magic of this changing from white to orange, that's all done inside the headlight. I don't think that's going to interfere with the side marker operation with the correct bulbs at all. Let's do the other side. And I know it's probably hard to see, but the headlights are on. So let's take a look at the rear. Okay, headlights are still on. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. And I don't know if you can see it, but there is a light strip under here for the license plate light. Turn the headlights off. Still on right turn signal. There's left turn signal. I don't have anybody to, oh, you know what? I can put the brake on. Let's put the brake on. Brake is on. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. And emergency flashers. Okay, so it all works all the way it's supposed to without the side marker lights in. Let me, you can probably see right there. If I'd get out of, look at my shadow out of it, probably see right there that there is no bulb in that side marker. Let's get that out. There's no bulb in it. Well, if you can see it, let me see if I can show you that. There is no bulb in that side marker. So let's put those bulbs in and let's see if that fixes it. I really hope it does, because I'd really like this to work. One thing to note, that these bulbs come in red and amber. And despite the fact that the turn signals already have red and amber lenses, I went and got red and amber bulbs. But the amber is 194 AHP5, and the red is 194 RHP5. So I'm going to put them in now. We're going to find this out. Okay, the bulbs are all replaced. One thing worthy of note is the bulb holders on almost every corner are messed up. So whether this actually works or not, I'm still going to have to come out and replace those bulb holders with new ones. The little metal tabs are all pushed back and messed up, and I tried to bend them back and I broke a couple. So I think I got it probably working, but we're going to find out. So let's try the left front turn signal first. Only the left front turn signal, that does work. Oh, you know what we didn't try? We didn't try just the parking lights. So, parking lights. Let's make sure all four work. Those messed up bulb holders, you never know. Okay. Driver front works. Driver rear is on. It's going to be hard to see these over in the sun. Tail lights are on. This one is not working. This is one I had some issues with. Let's see if we can get it to work. There we go. Okay. Right rear is working. And right front, hard to see. I'll get some shade on it. But there we see it is working. I can't see the camera screen, so. All right, I think this is going to fix it. The turn signals are working. Let's try the turn signals with the, did we try turn signals on both sides? I can't remember. Let's look at the turn signals all around. Now, the backs do not flash with the lights. The backside markers, they're supposed to just be on. And of course, all I got now are turn signals, which is what it's supposed to be. Let's go to right turn signal. Well, there we go. Can't see the camera screen, so I can't see if you can see that, but hopefully you can. That is flashing, and it is not alternating, which is not supposed to. And in the back, all I got are the rear turn signal, which is what we want. Let's try turning the headlights on. Now they should alternate if it's working correctly. There we go. And it is. Come back out in the evening and we'll take another look at it, because it's hard to see it so bright out. And right turn signal. And it is working. It is working, and it is alternating the way it's supposed to. Back still working. Back side markers on. Turn signals on. That's the way it's supposed to work. Okay, sun's down. It's not dark yet, but At least the sun isn't shining on it. So let's first take a look at the parking lights on this side. So that's what it looks like with the parking lights on. Pretty nice, huh, with the halo around it? I like that. Let's turn those off and let's try the turn signal. Well, this is what the turn signal looks like without the headlights or parking lights on. And let's take a look at all of it. So let's go back and look at the back. The back should only be the turn signal, of course. And that's all we got. So right side turn signal. And you see we got the same thing over here. It's all amber, even the halo around it. So here are the headlights, and I'm afraid that's going to be blinding. Oh, it's not. So left turn signal with the headlights on. And now we have the infamous CJ back and forth blink, except now we got the halo blinking along with it. And the parking light, side marker I should say. And the other side. Let's take a quick look at the back too. On the back they don't do that, as I mentioned, so we should just have standard operation back here, and we do. And turn signals on this side. And we work, and of course we have the license plate light. This strip under here, because I don't have the license plate light anymore in the bottom of the light housing, so I just made that strip across there, which is almost completely covered by the license plate frame. I'll have to come back out at night and see what that looks like. Then you see all the lights on the inside. Those are all now LED as well. Let's try the high beams too while we're at it. There we go. Good God, they're high. These might need to be adjusted. Those are higher than the whole front of the vehicle. Okay, there you have it. If you're trying to get LEDs to work on your old Jeep CJ and you can't figure out how to get the side markers and turn signals working, that's how you do it. I want to thank SuperBright LEDs, not for sending those LEDs to me for free, because they did and I paid for them, and they're about $5 each. But thank them for making a retro LED bulb that works where pretty much nothing else does. Anyway, I'm really happy this is done. That's one more thing checked off the list that's been bugging me. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.